Truck accidents. An accident involving an 18 wheeler can forever change your life. Catastrophic injuries can leave you facing long term medical treatment while unable to work. The physical, emotional, and financial toll can be overwhelming. If you are injured in a truck accident caused by a negligent driver, trucking company, or another party in the laws, you should have to face these burdens alone. The last truck accident attorney at the Vital Law firm can help. One of the best truck accident lawyer in the laws. With the decades of experience and committed to outstanding services, our attorney are ready to step in immediately and help you demand the and full and fair compensation you deserve. Contact us today for a free case review. You don't pay for our services unless we recover payment for you. How do you, if you have a truck accident claim, determining liability and seeking compensation after an accident involving two passenger vehicles can be challenging. Pursuing compensation after a truck accident claim can be extremely more complicated to determine whether you have a valid personal injury claim. You will need to secure evidence showing that another party was negligent and that negligence led to you crash. The other party could be a truck. The other party could be truck driver, trucking company, cargo loading company, third party maintenance, indemnity, truck parts manufacturer, or many others. You will also have to show that you were injured and suffered other losses as a direct result of the crash that includes both economies and non-economies losses. If these elements have exist in your case, you could be eligible to seek compensation from the at fault party or parties. Our the last truck accident attorney can review your case for free and explain your legal options.